Come and join me. Let's draw Perla Poodle, the most stylish and elegant pup you've ever seen. Ready? Let's go! Poodles are known for their curly, fluffy fur. It's perfect for styling into cute looks, just like Perla's. If you could dress up Perla, what accessory would you give her? A necklace or a tiara? Perla Poodle loves bows and ribbons. Her favorite is pink. Poodles were originally water dogs, which means they're great swimmers. Look, Perla's eyes are now wide open. She is having fun investigating her surroundings. Poodles are very smart dogs and love learning new tricks. Do you think Perla would prefer running in the park or having a spa day? Excellent! Perla Poodle is already looking so stylish. Now it's time to add some fabulous colors. Grab your markers or crayons. Let's get coloring and make Perla shine. Perla enjoys fancy tea parties with her friends and always dresses up for the occasion. Did you know poodles come in different sizes? There are toy, miniature, and standard poodles. Perla's favorite treat is a dog-friendly cupcake with sprinkles. Perla loves performing and might even put on a show to make everyone smile. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button for more fun drawing adventures. Poodles are one of the oldest dog breeds and were loved by royalty, just like Perla's classy personality. How do you think Perla feels today? Happy, excited, or extra fancy? Do you think Perla would enjoy playing dress-up with you? What costume would you pick for her? We did such an amazing job drawing Perla. She looks so cute and fancy, just like a superstar. Show our artwork to your friends and family. They'll love it as much as we do. I am very grateful that you spent today with me. See you soon!